Hello everyone. Now I am going to present our innovative product Colicot MAE 100p coated capsule to deliver the beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive compound to treat colorectal cancer. Myself, Dr. Palnirajan Vijayarajkumar, my co-investigator in this project, Dr. Marwan Makki, Professor Abubakar Abdul Masid from University Technology Mara, Dr. Omar Baizid, Egypt University, and Dr. Chia Chuan. Colorectal carcinoma is the second most common cancer in Malaysia. First, I discuss the fundamentals involved in this project. The inhibition of mTOR signaling pathway is considered as a key element in the anti-cancer therapy of various tumors. Several observations have suggested that mTOR inhibitor everolimus could be effective against colorectal cancer and carcinomatosis. However, the meaningful efficacy of everolimus as a single agent for the treatment of colorectal carcinoma has failed to be proven in multiple clinical trials. The cause of the failure of everolimus as a monotherapy anti-tumor agents remaining unclear. The beta-cyclodextrin has been reported to increase the retention and accumulation of mTOR inhibitor in CACO2 cells by significant decreasing in the efflux ratio, suggesting the inhibition of P-glycoproteins mediated efflux transport. Therefore, we developed the concept of treating colorectal cancer using inclusive complex. Based on this concept, we invented beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive complex that dramatically improved the anti-proliferative effect of mTOR inhibitor everolimus by enhancing its cellular uptake, intracellular retention, and through preventing the fibroblast growth factor receptor activation, that preventing cell proliferation. Using in silico molecular modeling technique, we identified that beta-cyclodextrin and beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive complex capable to inhibit the circulating galactin-3 and FGF7 proteins present in our body. Based on that, we developed the beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive compound in dry powder form and converted into everolimus capsule form. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques, Swiss software predicted that the basic fibroblast growth factor, also called FGF, and galactin-3 as possible target for beta-cyclodextrin based on the 2D similarity score values. The obtained results were processed via R software using PitMap package and shown in this figure. Further, using in silico approach, we investigated the ability of beta-cyclodextrin to inhibit the circulating protein galactin-3 and FGF based on its binding site location in the protein and binding score values shown in these figures. We propose that beta-cyclodextrin antagonizes the action of heparin by inhibiting to only one fibroblast growth factor. Therefore, it cannot induce FGF oligomerization, thus preventing FGF receptor dimerization. This prevents FGF receptor activation and suppresses the intracellular cascades of FGF receptor, leading to cell growth inhibition. Based on these phenomena invented by us, we decided to make beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive complex. For that, we first dissolved the beta-cyclodextrin in ethanol. Further, we dissolved the everolimus in ammonium hydroxide separately. Then we mixed these two solutions together and kept it for several days. Then we removed the liquid and received the dry powder. The formation of the inclusive complex we confirmed by using various physiochemical tests. Using this complex, we determined that the in vitro cytotoxicity activity of inclusive complex using RTCA X-Seligent technology on CACO2 cell lines. Further, the effect of complex on CACO2 cells migration was assessed by X-Seligent system and confirmed it prevents the migration of CACO2 cells. Caco2 cells motility was tested by scratch assay and assayed by measuring the distance between the boundaries of migrating cells at 8 hours after the treatment. And we found that the beta-cyclodextrin everolimus compound prevents the migration of the cells, Caco2 cells. In this picture, we shown the inhibitory effect of various samples on colony formation of Caco2 cells. The influence of each treatment on the number of colony formed as evaluated by collagenic assay. The representative wells of each treatment showing the colony formation after 9 days. The inclusive complex completely stopped the colony formation of Caco2 cells. Based on these findings, we decided to make beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive complex in the form of the capsules. For that, we decided to fill the beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive complex in the capsule size M. Further, these capsules was coated with Collicot MAE 100P to prevent the degradation of the capsules in the stomach. Before coating these capsules, we have filled these capsules with beta-cyclodextrin everolimus inclusive complex. The remaining amount we fulfilled with using a diluent lactose. In our previous work, we have proven that Collicot MAE 100P coated hard gelatin size M capsule released the content only after crashing the rat stomach. As I earlier mentioned that colorectal cancer is the second most common cancer in Malaysia. 65% of the patient was detected at stage 3 and stage 4. Upon the successful development of this formulation may save several patients' life. Come to the discussion. Beta-cyclodextrin everolimus complex showed some degree of selectivity against colorectal cancer cell lines, as well as cytotoxicity of this complex is significantly lower compared with pure everolimus in FHS cells. Also, this inclusive complex improved the aqueous solubility of everolimus. For the commercial point of view, this formulation have the added benefit for reducing the cancer complication risk suitable to treat the malignant colorectal cancer patients. The competitor for this product is Afinitor everolimus tablet, supported by FRGS, and the outcome of the project was published in high impact Q1 journals. These are our references. Thank you.